Here we are, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how I use fluorescent spray paint effectively in my graffiti pieces. I hope you enjoy. So there we are, that is it for this video. So basically I like to use fluorescent spray paint in my graffiti pieces as a highlight when I use it. I feel that is the best way to use fluorescent spray paint in a graffiti piece, and it's nice to have a bit of contrast by using a darker shade of spray paint to really kind of give that contrast, give that tone. That is my own personal feelings on it anyway. You may agree with me, you may disagree with me, but I'm sure you'll see some value in that if you use it in your own pieces. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. If you like my video, please give it a like. If you like me and you haven't subscribed to my videos yet, then please subscribe, and yeah, drop a comment, tell me what you think about this piece. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.